Parmenides is called the first metaphysician because he shifted the whole game. The early Greeks asked what the world is made of: water, air, fire, atoms. Parmenides asked instead, what does it mean for anything to be at all? From that single move, metaphysics and ontology are born. His way of truth argues that real being must be ungenerated, indestructible, whole, without gaps and therefore unchanging. You cannot get being from non-being because what is not cannot even be thought. Whatever comes and goes, appears and disappears, belongs not to being, but to illusion. Change, multiplicity, birth and death. All of that, he says, is the realm of mere opinion. Here the clash between rationalism and empiricism appears for the first time. For Parmenides, the senses lie. Only pure reason, working a priori, can disclose the structure of true reality. Centuries later, Kant would say that only appearances, phenomena, can be known and things in themselves, noumena, are unknowable. Parmenides flips this. Only noumenal being can be known. The sensory world yields at best coherent illusion. Modern science sides entirely with the way of opinion. It treats measurement as king and mathematics as a clever tool rather than the substance of reality. It even claims the universe can arise from nothing via a zero-energy trick. Positive energy plus negative energy equals net zero, so supposedly no violation of conservation. But this empties the conservation law of its logical content. Instead of eternal energy, we get contingent energy that can appear from nowhere, provided the accounting looks neat. Ontological mathematics rehabilitates Parmenides and upgrades him. Reality is an eternal, necessary net zero system of analytic energy, sinusoidal waves organized into monadic minds within an immaterial singularity. Existence is a perfect net zero, zero entropy ground that cannot be created or destroyed, only reconfigured. Parmenides' well-rounded sphere is an archaic glimpse of this singularity. He was right that there is no void, no outside, no genuine creation or annihilation, only being. Bertrand Russell thought he dissolved Parmenides by analyzing names like George Washington and Hamlet. But Parmenides was not interested in our shifting, man-made language of history and fiction. He was reaching for an eternal language of being itself, precisely what mathematics becomes when treated as reality rather than description. From Parmenides through Plato to ontological mathematics runs a single, hard line, the division between appearance and reality, opinion and knowledge, becoming and being. Science has chosen appearance and calls it ultimate. Parmenides asks a far more uncomfortable question. Are you willing to abandon the senses, trust reason, and step onto the way of truth?